Hi darlings and European goldfinches, welcome to my channel Me and Places. I'm Paulina and I am in Lisbon, Portugal. Honestly, I'm not at my most comfortable state at the moment. All my clothes are so dirty. Oh my god, I need to wash my clothes. I need to wash myself, let's start from that. And also I'm still a little bit sick. I have had this kind of on and off going sickness for a few weeks already. It's so exhausting, to be honest. Now I'm feeling a little bit better again after previous sicker mode for past few days, but still I'm like half energy. I'm doing everything on my half energy levels. But nevertheless, I'm in Portugal and I love Portugal. This was many years ago. It was the first place where I traveled alone. It inspired many other solo travels I had later. And it's a very rainy day here in Lisbon, so I think I'm gonna go for some museums. So join me. Another reason why I'm not comfortable is that I don't have a deodorant. I had to throw it away. I had like 2 kilos more than I have to have in my check-in bag, and I was just throwing the liquids away because they take the most of weight usually. And I'm bringing wine to my friends, and I was thinking, okay, wine or everything else. So I threw away everything else. So I don't have a deodorant. It's one of the things I threw away. I need to buy a new one. Anyway, Lisbon baby. So I came to this place near Belem. You can see the famous monastery on the other side of the street. I am not going today there though, because just the amount of people I can see over the street already brings me anxiety. So maybe I'll go there some weekday, hoping for less people. But I believe there is another museum in the area which has a free entry day, because today is Saturday. So let's check out if I'm right or no. So there is a contemporary museum here, and there is a maritime museum over there. Wait. No, I am going here. Yeah, I'm going in this museum, contemporary art. The name on my Google map was different because it was in Portuguese. But this is the place. Yeah, let's check if it has free entry as I thought or no. It's not free. I read it wrong. I don't think it's worth, because I've been there before, years before. So I thought I prefer to spend money on something new. I have not been to monastery, but as I said, it looks too crowded today because it's Saturday, so maybe some other day. So let's just walk around and see beautiful places. And the Belém Tower, it's near. There is an art wall here on the way, and there is also Bordalo's artwork near to the Contemporary Museum. But I want to make a separate video with all his works that I will find during my stay in Lisbon, so check it out separately then. Oh, I can see the Belém Tower already. There is a bridge, I need to cross the bridge to get there. Let's go! Everything is so pretty. It's so foggy. There is like mist on the other side of the river. I love mist. Reminds me of some doom metal bands that I'm listening. It's very atmospheric.
In 15th century, King John II of Portugal ordered a defense system to protect the port of Lisbon. By the way, a part of that plan is a fortress in Cascais. But let's get back to Lisbon. After King's death in 16th century, the Belém Tower was built to strengthen up the existing defense system around Lisbon, because it just wasn't enough. This tower was designed by Francisco de Arruda, a military architect. But there is also a chance that the guy who designed the monastery we just passed participated in decorations of Belém Tower, as it ended up being a fine example of medieval line style, which we also call Portuguese late Gothic. I personally find it to be very cakey beautiful. I just want to eat it, honestly.
So what am I doing now? I'm just walking the streets of Lisbon, and actually I'm looking where I could buy a card, like a travel card. It's called Viva Via game or something like that, and you can download money on it and then you can use it for transport, and it will be cheaper than buying a ticket straight from the driver. So let's see if I'll find it. I love that there's autumn leaves here. It's like December. This is cool. So you can see the green kiosks like this is where you can buy them. I put the card. So it costs 50 cents, and then you can top up with some money starting from like €3 up. And it's cheaper to buy tickets on buses, trams with this card. So yay, now I'm covered for next days. I like the weather now. I thought it will be like raining apocalyptically, but it's not. It's raining a little bit, which brings the fog, and it's really beautiful, and then it's sunny again. Now I came to Alex's factory. There is some street art here, some artisan products. Let's walk through it. Darlings, I think it's time I go pick up my things, and soon I will meet with my friend. Finally, I'm so waiting for that. This was a nice walk through Lisbon, and see you soon. I lied to you, this wasn't all. I decided to jump off the bus earlier instead of picking my things and walk to my hostel to see more. And I think where I got off there is this famous place, the Green Street, somewhere on the way. So let's find it. Also the clouds are telling me that it's gonna probably rain heavy soon. So while it's not, I want to enjoy the walk. my friend! We came here to Miraduro with beautiful, beautiful views overnight Lisbon. And then we're going to dinner. I'm gonna, of course, show you the place as well. Yay! A bucket of wine. What's the name of this place? This is very authentic, like an authentic local typical place. We got the food. It looks so beautiful. Oh my god.
Food aside, the most tip-worthy thing there is a singing owner. She's having so much fun.